Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week we drew a series of lines like this, and using these lines we drew the national bird of Dominica. Yay! And I saw some of your birds and they were absolutely fantastic. The only thing, some of you all did not use the colours correctly. Just know that the head and the body of the Cicero parrot is in purple and the wings are in green and the tail feathers are a mixture of purple and green. All right, and then don't forget the red tips on the wings. But today, boys and girls, we're going to draw something else that is dear to us, our national flower. That's right, the Bwa Kwaib. So let's get started. To begin with, we're going to draw a straight line going across our page like that. Then we're going to draw some shapes that looks like a U going across our page. And then we'll draw the reverse, which is an N shape going down like this. Then I want you to draw very close and narrow. This time it's a bit narrower than what we did up there, but we're very close together. We're going to draw this curved lines, but they are all connected. There's no space in between, in other words. We're going to do it reverse and do M's. And there we're going to go all across our page from one side to the other. Very good. Then, boys and girls, we're going to draw a circle like this. Great job. And last, we're going to draw a curved line just like this. Okay? Right, we're going to go straight into drawing our national flower now. Okay, to begin with, we're going to draw the branch, which is going to be like this on the side of our page coming down. And then our Bwa Kwaib, the little stems coming out like this to reach the top of the flower. And the flower goes like a curved, just like the curved shape that you were doing like that. Okay? And it has a little jagged line going like this. And this is actually the sepal that holds onto the petal. And we're going to draw the petals now. The petals are really pretty. They're really pretty indeed. And then it has a curved line, like the curved lines I told you to practice on, going in like that. Then we have another one coming like this. This time it goes a little more deeper like this, and it goes in. Again, we draw the line going in like that. So we're seeing it, it's like a cluster of petals. Really pretty flower, our national flower. And it goes in like this. We're going to draw this going like that. All right, boys and girls. And then we have another one coming here, like that, going all the way in like this. And boys and girls, there you have your beautiful Bwa Kwaib. And we're going to draw now the leaves. Now, our school has the national flower tree, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The leaves are so complicated but beautiful. So what it is, it's mini leaves connected to make a big leaf like that. All right, so you remember the little lines I told you to draw like this? That's all we have to do. So anytime you go to convent prep, go right down to close to where St. Joseph's statue is, you will see the tree, the Bwa Kwaib tree that we have in our yard. And the flower is a lot smaller than this. All right, but I blew it up so that you'll be able to draw it. It's very small and delicate, the national flower. And the leaves, like I said, they're mini leaves connected to a big leaf. And we just continue doing the same process, which gives you an indication of a large leaf going down like that. Do another one going like this. And then one more going like this. Like that way. Let's give it one more leaf. You'd like to do another leaf? Yeah, let's do one right here. And then we have the leaf going like this. 1, 2, 3, and a long one there. Okay, let's do it again. Lovely leaf like this. I think that the Bwa Kwaib is a beautiful flower. It's like a gem. And the color, like the petals, are ruby red. It's a deep royal red that I've never seen before. It's beautiful. So be sure when you're drawing and coloring in your Bwa Kwaib, choose the brightest, deepest, reddest color that you have in your collection of art supplies, and you just color that in lovely like that, and then I'll be really happy to see your work of art, and be sure to show it to me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.